My name is Catherine Wenzel. I used Reuben with Two Brothers Roofing. It had some hail damage and it was showing quite a bit of age. I think it already had 15 plus years on it. I wasn't having any leaks yet, but it was close. I had some wood that was starting to rot because of the old roof. I spent a lot of time on the computer trying to find the best company out there. Happened to find Two Brothers Roofing, and him and his wife were the sweetest people I think I ever met in my entire life. They made me feel comfortable. They knew that my husband had passed. They assured me, look, we will take care of you, I promise. These guys did everything. I didn't have to ask them anything. They were great to deal with. He had a wonderful crew. They had a mesh net that was attached to the roof line to catch everything. They were in and out almost like they weren't even there. Even got an upgrade on the shingles because at the time, the color that I had picked, they were out of stock so that they can actually get this done pretty quick. He offered the upgraded shingles at a discounted price. So I absolutely recommend them. In fact, I already have. I have told all my friends that if they need a roof, they better call these guys. So I've already given their phone number out to someone. It's just they were so personal. They made everything so easy. And I was going through a lot of stress at the time. If you're going to do it, this is the person to go to because they were the best. And, price-wise, I have done a replacement roof before, and they were right there on the money. So you can probably actually save you some money because they deal with the insurance and they make sure everything is covered. I wouldn't tell them to use anybody else.